Good morning, Pooja. How are you?
Very good morning, Anita. I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too. So, how was your holiday?
It was amazing. Thanks for asking. Thanks for asking. How was your holidays?
That was great too. So, what did you do on this holiday?
I visited my grandparents in my village and I have spent an entire week there.
Oh, was that fun?
Yes, it was a lot of fun. I visited my grandparents in my village and I have a lot of cousins in my village and we enjoyed a lot.
Wow, this is so cool. So, how your village look like?
It's a small but a very beautiful village near a river and on the other side there was a big hills.
What have you done there?
I visited the hills, the rivers with my cousins. I went there for almost a year and my entire family went there for a picnic in the jungle. Oh, that was too much fun.
I am feeling so much excited hearing all these things from you. I wish to visit a beautiful village like this.
You are invited to my village with me on my next trip.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Okay, talks to you later. Take care.
Okay, bye.